Estate planning in New York isn't just for the wealthy. It's about protecting your loved ones, minimizing complications, and making sure your wishes are honored. With the right plan, you can avoid unnecessary delays, legal fees, and family disputes. But one question many people have is, what does it actually cost? Estate planning costs in New York are shaped by several legal factors. State laws regarding probate, estate taxes, and legal documentation requirements directly influence what you'll need and how much you'll spend. For example, New York has its own estate tax, separate from the federal one, which can trigger additional planning for larger estates. Also, because probate can be more complicated and lengthy here than in other states, many opt for strategies that help avoid it altogether, such as trusts. These choices, while potentially adding upfront costs, can reduce burdens on your loved ones later. A knowledgeable attorney can help ensure all documents, wills, healthcare directives, and powers of attorney are properly executed and legally enforceable, avoiding costly issues down the road. So how much should you expect to spend? A basic estate plan, which typically includes a will, power of attorney, and healthcare directives, usually costs between $1,500 and $3,000. More comprehensive plans that involve trusts or more complex arrangements can exceed $5,000. Attorney fees are one of the largest variables, depending on the complexity of your plan and whether they charge hourly or a flat fee. Some law firms may offer bundled services for cost savings. Opting for DIY might seem cheaper, but it comes with significant risks, especially when dealing with state-specific regulations. Errors or omissions in DIY estate plans can lead to legal disputes, tax issues, or even render documents invalid. Estate planning begins with understanding the process itself. At its core, it's about making decisions now that will affect how your assets are managed and distributed later. That includes who gets what, who takes care of any dependents, and who will make decisions on your behalf if you're unable to. In New York, common elements include wills, revocable and irrevocable trusts, healthcare proxies, and powers of attorney. Each of these tools has its place depending on the goals of the estate plan. For example, a revocable living trust can help avoid probate, while a special needs trust can protect government benefits for a loved one with disabilities. Pricing varies. Simple wills may cost a few hundred to over $1,000, while trusts can range from $2,500 to $7,500 or more. Understanding how estate planning works helps you make informed choices, and those choices can directly impact the total cost. Factors like family dynamics, the size of your estate, and long-term care needs all influence what's included in your plan. That's why it's important to work with a lawyer who can tailor a strategy to your unique situation and keep you compliant with New York law. An attorney who's well-versed in local legal nuances can also help update your documents as your life circumstances change, ensuring your plan remains effective over time. If you're thinking about estate planning on Long Island, Schlessel Law PLLC offers personalized, cost-conscious strategies designed to reflect your financial goals and protect your assets. Speak with an attorney who can simplify the process and make sure everything is done right the first time. Call Schlessel Law PLLC at 516-574-9630 or visit us at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501, United States.